Indian Institute of Information Technology Surat has received an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech program offered here? Let's find out, starting with the 3.8 rated placements. As per NIR of 2025, out of the 118 graduating students, 86 secured placements in 2024, while 8 opted for higher studies. The placement rate stood at 73%, marking increase in 2023, followed by a dip in 2024. The top recruiters included Walmart, Atlassian, Nvidia, and Goldman, offering roles such as SDE and data analyst. The highest package offered was 64 lakh per annum, while the median package stood at 14 lakh per annum, showing increase in 2023, followed by a dip in 2024. Compared to IIT Vadodara, IIT Surat has a clear lead in terms of the offered median package. An 8-week industry internship is provided at the end of the 6th semester, and a 20-week one is provided during the 8th. Moving on now, IIT Surat offers a 3.6 rated BTech program in 2 specializations: Computer Science and Electronics and Communication Engineering. The eligibility requires 75% in class 12th, and admissions are based on JEE main scores. Compared to 2023, the 2024 cutoff shows a slight relaxation for CSE and a significant relaxation for ECE. The total tuition fee for 4 years is around 6.3 lakh rupees. Regarding the infrastructure, rated 3.1 stars. IIT Surat now operates from its permanent campus at Kolwad and spans 28.7 acres. The Wi-Fi enabled campus includes a library, cafeterias, and well-equipped labs for both CSE and ECE. Sports facilities are available, but students feel that they are limited. There are separate hostels for boys and girls that are located away from the campus, and students have noted dissatisfaction with the facilities and mess food. Turning our attention to the academics, rated 4 out of 5 stars. The institute has academic collaborations with IIT Bangalore and IIT Gandhinagar for research and technological advances. Industry partnerships include Bosch Global, Sahajanand Technologies, and AAI Surat for internships, training, and research. It also regularly hosts expert lectures, workshops, and seminars for soft skill development and keeping up with the industry trends. Next up is the campus life, rated 3.4 stars. The campus features several student clubs including Google Developer, Robotics, and Electronics, and Sports and Gaming. It hosts multiple events, with the most anticipated being the Inter-College Sports Meet and the annual Spring Festival. Lastly, the institute is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. Download the Shiksha app for more details.